In this video, we're going to look at equations that are formed by angles in a straight line or around points. So I've got this first one here. Now, you remember an angle in a straight line add up to 180. So if we call that angle 1 and this one angle 2, I've got angle 1 plus angle 2 is going to be equal to 180. Well, angle 1, as it says there, is 5x minus 1. And angle 2 is 8x minus 14. And that's all equal to 180. So we're getting near towards an equation, but the first thing I'm going to do is try and simplify that left-hand side. Well, I've got a 5x here and a plus 8x. So I'm going to add those together, so that becomes 13x. And then I've got a minus 1 minus 14. So minus 1 take away another 14 would be minus 15. So it's 180. Well, that looks like a great little equation to solve. So let's solve it. It's plus 15 to both sides. So we get all the number terms on one side. So that's 13x is equal to 195. Let's push that up a little bit there. Then the next stage, once we've got the letter terms on one side, number terms the other, is to divide by the number in front of the letter. And if we do that, we're going to get x equals 15. So there you go, that's the first one. Now, looking at this second one here, we've got a right angle here. So what we can say, if we have angle 1 and angle 2, is that angle 1 plus angle 2 will this time be equal to 90 degrees. So angle 1 is 51. Angle 2 is 4x plus 11, and that's equal to 90. So first, let's simplify this left-hand side. So I've got 51 and 11, so I can put those two together. So that's going to become 62 plus 4x is equal to 90. Let's take away the 62 so we can get the number terms on one side. We're going to get 4x is equal to 28. Divide both sides by 4. And we're going to get x is equal to 7. So the answer is x equals 7. These are just two of the types of angle questions you can get. You could also get a question where you have many angles around a point. All you need to remember then is that all the angles will add up to 360 and then do what we've just done with these two examples.